Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Northrop Grumman sees wider Middle East demand for IBCS integrated battle command system as cruise missile and drone threats drive new air defense investment. Northrop Grumman is seeing broader Middle East demand for its integrated battle command system as governments reassess their defenses against cruise missiles and drones. Chief Executive Officer Kathy Warden said several countries were pursuing the system, positioning air and missile defense as a major source of international growth. Warden described modern missile defense systems as an essential national security priority across the Middle East. She said momentum was building in multiple countries seeking to acquire IBCS integrated battle command system, which is already proven and operational. Kuwait received U.S. State Department authorization in May 2026 for 6 IBCS integrated battle command systems, according to Warden. The United Arab Emirates and Qatar have also submitted letters of request, while Northrop Grumman is holding discussions with several other Middle Eastern governments. The interest reflects the growing operational importance of integrated defenses against increasingly diverse aerial threats. Warden pointed to recent conflicts involving cruise missiles and drones, including the need to detect and intercept both types of weapons. IBCS integrated battle command system is designed to support short and medium-range integrated air and missile defense missions, Warden said. She expects regional demand to continue as governments strengthen their ability to connect sensors and defensive systems against complex attacks. Northrop Grumman is also benefiting from faster processing of U.S. foreign military sales cases. Warden said approvals were moving at a significantly quicker pace than in previous years, supported by stronger coordination across U.S. government agencies. The faster approval process could help convert regional interest into contracts more quickly. It also supports Northrop Grumman's wider effort to expand international revenue through production-ready systems already available to allied customers. Warden identified IBCS integrated battle command system, munitions, Triton unmanned aircraft and the E-2D as part of a broad portfolio supporting overseas growth. Northrop Grumman aims to double its annual international sales to $10 billion by 2031. Missile defense demand is also expanding in the United States. Warden described Golden Dome as a collection of programs intended to create a broader homeland missile defense architecture through competitions and additions to existing contracts. Funding began moving onto Golden Dome contracts during the second quarter after a slower start to the year. Northrop Grumman expects additional selections and contract actions through the end of 2026 and into early 2027, with related revenue continuing to scale. Warden also identified missile defense as one of the strongest areas within the national security space market. She said demand was being supported by space resilience, intelligence and surveillance requirements, as well as broader U.S. military dependence on space-based capabilities. Her comments presented air and missile defense as a market spanning regional protection, U.S. homeland security and space-based capabilities. Within that portfolio, IBCS integrated battle command system is emerging as a central international offering as Middle Eastern governments respond to the growing threat from cruise missiles and drones. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.